Hi guys, welcome back. It's Frankie PC here, working on Windows 7 Home Edition. Just thought I'd do tutorial number 2 with regarding to removing the Windows 10 update icon, which is probably on your taskbar now if you've been doing your updates regular from Microsoft. This is the taskbar icon I'm referring to, where it says Get Windows 10. If you hover your mouse over the top of it. And the first method obviously I used was using the Task Manager, but this method is going to be relatively simple, but I'm using an application this time called Process Explorer. This is a free application which you can download from the Microsoft sysinternals.com site, and I've got it on here. Basically I've minimised it here, but this is it here, the website that you need to search for, SysInternals Suite. And then obviously you've got on the right hand side you've got all of the top 10 downloads which people are downloading regular from this site. Process Explorer appears to be just right at the top of the list there, but obviously I've downloaded Auto Runs and Process Monitor, but I use all three for virus removals and just generally checking what applications are running on your system that might be slowing your system down. Okay, so we're going to use this particular application then to find out where our icon is residing. So you right click one of them as administrator, and we should get the Process Explorer opening up for us. And there we are. Okay, so somewhere towards the bottom, this is where your applications are actually running. You'll see our gwx.exe, there it is there, look. So if we highlight, right click and do a properties, we'll bring up the properties box and we can now enlarge that for you so you can see. Alright, important across the top here, it's saying that GWX is a verified Microsoft Windows, so we know it's a legitimate download, so that's fairly reassuring. And then we're looking at the path of where it's living. It's in C directory, Windows, System32 directory, and then there's a folder called GWX, and within that there should be a GWX executable file. Okay, so we can explore that and go and have a look at that in just a second. Lower down here we've got the auto start location. If it was in an auto start location it would be residing in there, but basically it isn't at this particular moment. So we're simply going to explore. Okay, and in the Windows System32 folder, this is where we're seeing the GWX application sitting in there. Okay, so not particularly, I wouldn't particularly go ahead and try and delete all of these files. There's no real point. Simply just go to the top where it says System32 and click it, and then come all the way down here to about halfway, and you'll see GWX folder. What I would do there is just right click and obviously do a force delete if you're using UVK. You can put that on your mouse option, or go down to the bottom where it says delete, and that will send it straight to your recycle bin where you can remove it from there. Alright, a lot of guys have been telling me that if they try to do a deletion of GWX from the System32 files, that it's not actually allowing them to actually remove it without taking ownership of the file. So this, if you notice when I right clicked on it here, I've actually got a take ownership option there as part of my right click menu, and I will be doing a separate video actually how to put this onto your right click mouse option, so that in the future if you do want to take ownership of any files that you want to delete because of rights, then obviously you can use this. It's a great shortcut, and this will actually do what command prompt does if you go in there and do it manually, but this will do it within literally just one click. Alright, so that's something I'll be doing for you later on, guys. That will take it from there, and that's really about it as far as that's concerned from there. Alright, one other place that gwx.exe lives, in which obviously waits onto why it gets loaded into the task scheduler bar. If we go into start and we type in task, go into the task scheduler at the top there and double click. It takes a couple of seconds just to load the schedule up onto your desktop, so don't get concerned if it's taking a while. Okay guys, there it is. Okay, and then if you go to the top left hand side here, double click Task Scheduler, and double click on Microsoft and double click on Windows, and then you want to scroll all the way down here. You're looking for a folder called Setup. Double click on that, and there's your GWX and GWX triggers in there. Okay, so if you click on GWX, it will open up your right hand side format, and you'll see there that if you go towards the top, it's saying that its name is launch tray process, and obviously what it's going to do, it'll basically launch it into the tray every time that your Windows operating system starts. So this is one to get rid of here, so I would simply again not delete it from the right hand side, delete it from the left, and just put delete, click delete folder there. And then GW triggers, again you'll notice here it's ready for logon, so at logon on any of the users it'll automatically put GWX onto your system. And it's down the bottom here where it says interactive, you'll see that it has been highlighted and the option's ticked to run only when user is logged on. So it'll actually it'll run it as soon as you log on there. Alright, so left hand side again, right click and delete folder will take it off there completely, and that should stop it from coming back onto your system when you next log on. Okay, so if we'll close that off there, and that's it guys for this one. It's a nice short simple tutorial. Well, I should be doing a tutorial number 3, which I'm going to be covering the registry options to remove it from there, and also the final one will be to actually remove the actual update that's put this icon on your taskbar in the first place. Alright guys, hope that helped you out. Go over to my channel if you wish, and obviously do a thumbs up on the video, and obviously leave any comments and rate it if you wish. I'd much appreciated, and I'll be speaking to you in the next video. Bye.